Hello, in this video we will talk about deleting and modifying tables. Deleting a table is done by the drop table command, after which we will specify the name of the table we want to delete. First of all, let's connect to any connection and to any database. Let's for instance connect to the Homework 1 database that we created in the previous video. We can see that now we are using it. Let's see if we have an existing table. We will write again the show tables command. We will hatch it and execute it. Here we can see all the tables that we wrote together in the previous video. To delete the product table, we will write the following instruction. We will write drop table, after which we will specify the name of the table we want to delete, that is product. We will hatch the query, execute it, after which we will execute the show tables command again, and we can see that our product table no longer exists. We will also delete the computer table. We will write drop table computer. Again, hatch it with the mouse, execute it. We will show again all our tables and we can see that the computer table was deleted. If you don't want to press this button every time you want to run a query, you can simply hatch it with the mouse and press at the same time Ctrl Shift Enter. Now I am trying to run again and again this query. You can see that if I want to delete a table which is not existent, I will have an error. Unknown table homework1.product. This table has already been deleted. Changing the structure of a table can consist of two things: adding and deleting columns. Both things are done by the alter table command, after which we will specify the name of the table whose structure we want to modify. After the name of the table, we will choose what exactly we want to do. We will specify if we want to add a column or if we want to delete a column. The add statement will add a new column to our table. It is followed by the name of the new column and its data type. The statement alter table person add column name decimal of 3 and 2, for example, will add a new column in our table person, which will be called column name, and will have a decimal data type in which we can store 3-digit numbers, 2 of which will be after the comma. The drop column statement will delete an existing column from our table. It is followed by the name of the column we want to delete. The alter table person drop column existing column name query will delete our column called existing column name. That is, if the column exists. If it does not exist, our query will throw an error. Let's go back to Workbench. We will open MySQL Workbench and create our person table by writing the following query. We will write create table person. We will open parentheses and a semicolon at the end. Our people will have an ID of type int. We'll have a person name of type varchar of 25 positions, and that is all. Let's create our table. Hatch it with the mouse, execute it, and now we can see that our person table has been created. We can see that once we have created a table called person, if we run a query again to create a table with the same name, we will not be allowed. If I will try to execute this query again, we will have the following message: table person already exists. Let's change the table now. To add to your person table an email, we will write the instruction alter table person add p_email of type varchar of 40 positions. We will execute this query and we can see that it was successful. Let's select everything from our table of people. We will write select star from person, execute the query, and we can see that now we have the ID, the name, and the email. Now let's delete the column name. For that, we will write alter table person, drop column, and here we will write the name of the column that we want to delete. I will write p underline name. I will execute the query, select everything from my person table again, and now we can see that I only have the ID column and the email column. The name column has been deleted and the email column has been added.